In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to export your account level data out of AlignMix and into Microsoft Excel. Now to start, you simply click here in the top left on File, Export, and then Export to Excel. And now we'll get a pop-up here showing what we can export from AlignMix to Excel. You can choose to export everything if you wanted to by clicking this button here, but in this case we're just going to do the accounts. We have three options for the export. You can do a standard, which is the bare minimum for the export. You can do everything, which will export everything completely available for your account level data and their territory assignments, or a custom report, where you can choose which columns of data to include for your export. I'll go ahead and click on Custom, and now click on Next. Here we can choose what data sets to include and exclude from your exports. So on the right-hand side, you see everything that will be included, and on the left hand, this is what's not included so far. If you selected the Everything option, all these categories on the left would automatically be included in the report on the right. Let's say I do want to include 2021 sales this time, but we don't need to have, let's say, the account ID. We'll click on Next. You customize here how you want that export to appear in Excel, and then click on Finish. Now we choose where to save our file and give that file a name and click on Save. When the export is finished, it'll appear here in Excel right away on your screen. All the account level data that you've selected in that custom report is now included here in this export. You can see that we added 2021 sales back in, and it's here included in this report. Here you'll notice that street, 1, 2, and city and state are not included, and that's because they were never included in the import. So AlignMix will actually export everything that you give it. So if you gave it blanks, it'll export blanks back out. And there you go. You just learned how to export your account level data out of AlignMix and into Excel.